MS Reynolds, obviously, at the hotel. So I really did take what you said a bit seriously. I'm gonna show you that here in a second, but I'll go over your website in a moment. I just think there's some things that you should probably know about it. But this is for instance, what I'm capable of. This is my mock version of the one I had made. This is the one that is for you. It's actually the one I'm just gonna go ahead and give you. And if you need help, I teach you how to plug some shit or not. But what this page is designed to do is to get one thing. Do you see how each button is saying register? Register, register, register. There's one specific action for this page. It's to get them to come here and to get you a one-on-one or a lead. This is just actual shit. Like, if you wanted to, I had already wired it into my, obviously I switch it. But it's already ready to go through Stripe, all that. But I wanted you to see what things could look like if they were a little bit more focused. And the thing is it doesn't have to be 40 of these. And I think that was kind of something I can note on your websites or your website. Respectfully, it's dated. And it's not a little bit dated. It's very dated. I mean, we're not even in HTTPS, and that's a huge deal because the reason why these banks, they won't like look at those websites is they all think it's fraud. And if they think it's fraud, because the same thing that happened to me, I'm going to actually show you so you can understand exactly what it's doing to your SEO, because it's pretty significant and it's not a joke. Oh yeah. Where is it? But anyway, sir, I put this up last night, and I haven't attached it to anything for you or anything like that. And not really, that's nothing. But it's like, hey, my stuff works. It works well. It's fast, and it's structured. I think that is where, I mean, right there, you can feel it. And I think it's what it sounded like when we were speaking at the hotel is you don't need just a website anymore. And the fact that you don't have, access to your analytics, that's unfortunate. But that's, here, I'll get them for you. Okay. Dude, I literally just fucking got these. What the fuck? Who the fuck's calling in? Let me tell you. Oh, I hate all you. Oh, fucking retarded. There, yeah. Aristotle. So here is just kind of your basic SEO stuff. This program's like $300 to $400 a month. It's nicer, so you're gonna get some serious, accurate information out of this. And I already ran a report for you, and I'm gonna give that to you as well. I would love to work with you, man. You're a good dude. But I'm gonna let you stew on the amount of insight you're gonna get, and man, if you think we can do some damage, go ahead and give me a call. If not, enjoy that little landing page, make some money off of it. Maybe a lot. But see, first off, here's the big issue. You said it's only recognizing 7 pages out of your entire operation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's not what it's talking about there. It's talking. Because that's a page. I'm not sure. Start that. Alright, so here what we're going to do. We're going to break down your analytics, and this is a pretty solid program. It runs a few hundred a month, so you can trust that it's pretty accurate. But let's get it going. So this is what I was telling you earlier, and I'm just going to kind of hold your hand while we walk through this, because basically what your site is saying is not clear, and that's the problem. That's what Google is looking for, and that's where it does get confusing with your place. Is that I get your roof, residential, commercial, but then in another little swing with it, we have, is it this one? No. We have there's no reason for that to be a page, but it doesn't like flow. It seems like it's very scattered and like, oh, we could do this, instead of just doing 2 or 3 and just online. I'm sure you can do all that shit. I fully believe that. Probably very well. But I don't, after going through this, if it sounds like I don't truly, outside of obviously doing, do the roofing and the inspections and metal, I don't know. I can't like just, and I feel like you're very diverse in a great way, but I don't know what the hell you're like specified as outside of roofing. And I think that's because of what we're seeing right here. Obviously, it's the roof here. It's the title of this. It's new patio lights with it. What the fuck do you need that for on the roof? And I'm just, like I'm saying, I hope to God you don't take it personally, because I'm sure you are very talented, but I won't, you bet your money on but mine. And here we are. I think if I can't be the guy for you, I think it'd be really wise to think about starting to see somebody else, because this is not doing you favors. It's not a bad site at all. It's fast. It's not that. It's old and very old, and the fact that you're not have that little, it says not secure right here. That's a big deal, and it has been for a long time, and it's really pissing me off. And you didn't know that, because it's not your fault, or that you don't have access to your analytics. So if it can't be me, that's great, man. I wish you the best luck. Find someone that gives you the access to the analytics. Give that person, have them walk through all that shit with you. Get every administration password you need, and make sure they know that they can get their shit chopped off one way or another. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and attach all these reports to you. I'll do a little doodle or something on them, things where I'm like, hey, that's bad, or hey, that's great. But hey man, I wish you the best. You have my phone number, 530-513-1994. Thank you, Mr. Reynolds. You have a great rest of your day.